choice to set up envelopes to run portrait or landscape depends upon your priority. If your priority is speed, landscape is the fastest choice. But if you want to print envelopes using full bleed printing, you will need to set up using portrait in order to avoid cutting off print due to the print width specifications of the print head. Remember that these adjustments should be made every time the media type, thickness, or weight is changed.
Start by moving the media side guides to their maximum positions so they are out of your way. Then lift each of the 4 separation fingers all of the way up and lock them in place.
Next, make sure your rear media guide is in the outside or 9.5 inch position. Insert an envelope flap side down and closed about an inch past the separation fingers. Adjust the position so the thickest part of the envelope is under the separation fingers. The position will vary slightly depending upon the shape of the flap.
You can now loosen each of the separator finger lock screws and let the separator fingers drop onto the media, then tighten the lock screws. Next, move the right-hand media guide to within approximately 1/32 of an inch of the edge of the media. The idea is to get the guide as close as possible without buckling the media, so the guide can help prevent any skewing of the media as it is fed into the machine. Pulling back on the envelope slightly should give you even resistance. Take a stack of media 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thick and taper the lead edge of the stack so it will slide up against the media separator fingers and conform to the curved portion of the guide on the underneath side of the front and rear media guides. Continue taking stacks of envelopes and taper the lead edge just like the first stack until the stack is above the curved area of the guides. Once that is done, the media can be loaded so it will set against the straight face of the guides. Now take the media support and move it so it is centered under the media. Finally, move the media end fence forward until the bevel of the fence matches the bevel of the trail edge of the media, then push it forward about another 1/4 inch, lifting the media. Tighten the lock screw, and the feeding unit has been adjusted for your number 10 envelope media fed landscape direction.